Dsc alarm system. How to turn off the keypad sounder. Press the star button. Press number 6. Now enter in the master code. Now press the left arrow key. There, when it stops beeping, press the pound key. Now, the keypad is silent. If you press any key on the keypad, it will not make a noise. Trouble beeps will not beep. If you want to turn the keypad sounder back on again, press the star button, put number 6. Enter in your master code. Now press the left arrow key. And then when you're happy with the noise, press the pound key. Now the sounder is back on.